Now that you've submitted an application for admission to TMU, there are some things you'll need to do to ensure your application is complete. This may include submitting academic transcripts or non-academic requirements, such as a portfolio or a resume. Please visit our document submission webpage for more information on what to submit. Once you've determined what your requirements are, scroll to the bottom of the document submission page and click on Document Submission Instructions. Now it's time to prepare your documents for upload. Step 1. Preparing your documents.
Your documents must fulfill the requirements indicated on the Ready to Submit Your Documents page on the undergraduate admissions website.
Only documents indicated in your Choose TMU portal account can be submitted.
Step 2. Accessing your Choose TMU applicant portal. 24 hours after activating your online identity, you will then have access to your Choose TMU applicant portal page.
Step 3. Uploading your documents. Once you've accessed your Choose TMU portal account, you can determine what documents are required and what documents have already been received. Documents only need to be uploaded once, no matter how many programs you have applied to. Click the Upload File button beside the appropriate required item. After locating the file you wish to upload, click Upload, then go back to the main page to confirm the document was received. If you are experiencing difficulties while uploading your documents, please refer to the Document Upload Common Questions webpage. Once you have successfully uploaded your documents, you'll need to check your application status regularly by visiting your applicant portal. Step 4. Success. When you are finished, log out of your portal account. Now that you've successfully uploaded your documents, we look forward to reviewing your application for admission.